Man, you're only winning because you keep giving yourself the heavy stick and me this trash light stick. It's making your balls go faster, man.
Doesn't make a difference.
Or does it?
Welcome to Mythbusters. Today, we're testing whether or not a heavy pool stick makes the cue ball go faster. Alright, first, let's weigh these pool sticks.
First, let's go ahead and weigh the light one. If I can get it balanced on here. As you can see, it is exactly 330 grams.
Now, let's mass this heavy stick right here. As you can see, that mass is 481 grams.
For this experiment, we're gonna have Lucas here hitting the cue ball, and he's gonna have the stick go the exact same velocity every time he hits the cue ball. We're then going to film the shot so that we are able to record the amount of time it takes the cue ball to reach the 3-foot mark on the tape measure after the moment it is hit.
For all you stupid Europeans across the lake, we converted this distance to 0.91 meters for you.
Heavy stick test 1. Heavy stick test 2. Heavy stick test 3. Heavy stick test 4. Heavy stick test 5. Light stick test 1. Light stick test 2. Light stick test 3. Light stick test 4. Light stick test 5.
To find the average velocity, we used our times and distance that the cue ball traveled, as well as the equation v equals d over t. Looking at our data, each set had a significant outlier, and for the purposes of this experiment, we disregarded them.
We can then use those leftover times to find the average time it took the ball to travel the 3 feet, being 1.35 seconds for the heavy stick and 1.6 seconds for the light stick. Our final average velocity, found by just dividing the 3-foot distance by the average times, was 2.22 feet per second for the ball hit with the heavy stick and 1.87 feet per second for the ball hit with the light stick, meaning that the heavy stick does in fact positively affect the force when hitting the cue ball.
We found that the heavier stick indeed does cause the cue ball to move with a greater velocity. This can be explained by looking at the equation of force, or force equals mass times acceleration. More mass in the system causes for there to be more force upon hitting the ball, as long as the acceleration remains constant over the course of the experiment. Based on our data, you are a dang cheater.
What can I say? Physics never lies.